Hare Krishna, let us see the trailer of day 8 of Mahabharata. Bhima killed 17 of Dhritarashtra's sons. Iravan, the son of Arjuna from his wife, snake princess Ulupi, who killed 5 brothers of Shakuni. Ulupi is daughter of Airavata Kauravya, the king of Nagas. Iravan was killed by Alambusha, the Rakshasa. Indians prayed goddess Kali so that Pandavas could win the war. Let us see the day 9 of Mahabharata war. Krishna noticed Bhishma was attacking many Pandavas, but Arjuna was soft with his grandfather. Krishna rushed and took the wheel of a fallen chariot to kill him. Bhishma stood ready to die. Arjuna stopped him and reminded Krishna's promise not to use weapon and promised he would kill Bhishma. That day, night, Yudhishthira asked Bhishma the advice. So Bhishma tells him to keep Shikandi as a shield, for he would not kill a eunuch or women. So Krishna's ideas were followed from the influence of Bhishma's principles. On day 10th, Arjuna stood behind Shikandi and killed Bhishma. Pandavas pierced his body full of arrows. Remember, Bhishma had been taken a boon from his father, King Shantanu, that he would live till Hastinapura is safe. That is the boon of Ichamrutya, self-wish death. Pandavas and Kauravas stopped the war and honored Bhishma. Arjuna puts 3 arrows under his head, strikes 1 arrow to ground and gives him water. After the war, when Yudhishthira becomes king, Bhishma gives Vishnu Sahasranama to Pandavas. He waited to die on first day of Uttarayana. On day 11, Duryodhana's joy as Karna entered, as Bhishma didn't continue. The war Duryodhana asked Drona to capture. Arjuna alive, Drona asked Trigatas to enter. Arjuna, so that it's easy to kill Yudhishthira, lost his attempts to kill Yudhishthira. Arjuna returned by seeing fierce attacks on Pandavas. Then forced Bhagadatta, ruler of Pragjyotisha, that is in Assam. Bhagadatta came on his gigantic elephant, Supratika, and defeated Bhima, Abhimanyu, Satyaki, and fought with Arjuna. After fierce battle, Arjuna killed Bhagadatta. On day 13, Drona planned for Chakravyuha with Padmavyuha under it. Only Arjuna and Krishna knew to break this vyuha. Some Saptakas led by Susharma challenged Arjuna to divert him away from battlefield. Arjuna killed thousands of army. Abhimanyu tells he could break Chakravyuha but do not know to exit. Thus, in the womb, when Arjuna was telling the story of Chakravyuha to his sister Subhadra, Krishna interrupted and she fell asleep. So Abhimanyu could not hear about exit. As Abhimanyu entered into Chakravyuha, Jayadratha stopped Pandava warriors. Abhimanyu killed 10,000 armies inside Chakravyuha. Like Vrihadwala, ruler of Kushala, ruler of Asmakha, Matikavarta, that is son of Kritavarma, Rukmaratha, that is son of Shalya, Lakshmana Kumara, son of Duryodhana, were killed. By this, Kaurava army attacked Abhimanyu at a time by Drona, Karna, Kripa, Kritavarma. Abhimanyu managed to kill Shakuni's brothers and son of Dushasana, then died. Arjuna hears the murder of his son and took vow to kill Jayadratha. Arjuna destroyed Shakatavyuha on the day 13. Please continue to hear the moral of every story.